How to check your Nordstrom gift card balance online. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step guide that we can follow up and we should be able to check our Nordstrom gift card balance online. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So what we can do is we can open up a browser or we can visit the Nordstrom gift card balance section. So let's directly head over there and there should be the following interface that we can view. Now, in order to check our balance within this page, we can directly scroll down and we should be finding a section called gift card balance with a check balance option available. So we need to click on that option. And once we click on it, we need to enter our gift card information. So what we'll need is we'll need a gift card number and a PIN, which is usually found on the back of the card or in your email if it's digital. So go ahead and enter up your gift card number first of all, and right below it, you need to provide in the code. Once it is done, you can tap on this check balance option and your current balance will be displayed on your screen officially. And if you have multiple gift cards, you can check each one of them separately as well and keep a screenshot or note of the balance for the reference. And if your card is not working, we also have a number provided, the customer service that we can call on, and we should be able to check our Nordstrom gift balance online that way as well. And that's it everybody. For now, you can head over and follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.